I like condenser microphones just as much as the next guy. But what's up guys, Kurt here from Third Island Productions. We're back with another mic shootout, and today we're doing dynamic microphones. All these guys have a fixed cardioid polar pattern, and the price range is from $75 all the way to $400. First up, we have the Sennheiser E609, and it ranges at about $75. In the before times, you usually see these guys draped over a guitar amp at a live concert. These guys are really useful because the shape of them allows you to save a mic stand. Next up, we have the Shure SM57. You already know, $100 workhorse mic gets the job done. Next to that, we have its twin brother, the Audix I5. This is basically a 57 made by Audix, and you can find it inside an Audix drum mic kit. Now we have the Joe Rogan podcast special, the Shure SM7b. This is the only mic we have that features a high pass filter, and it also has a high mid bump. You see these guys in podcasts all the time, and they actually happen to be a really great vocal microphone. They run about $400, and so does our last contender, the Sennheiser 421. This microphone is famous for being used on toms. To help you decide which microphone is right for you, we're going to test these on a bunch of different instruments. But first up, we have my buddy Joe coming in, recording some alto saxophone. Let's get to it. Next up, we have my buddy Reed coming in. He's going to be recording drums, but we're going to specifically be recording the snare drum. Now we're going to be testing these on electric guitar played by yours truly. And yet again, you will be granted the privilege of hearing my exquisite vocals on these microphones.
Taking control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Taking control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world. Take control, take control, take control, take control. You can change the world.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you want to see the next one, click right here. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and hit the little bell for notifications. Down below in our description, you'll see a link to our website and our socials. Thank you guys. Have an awesome one.